If you've never had the internet, you don't know what you're missing out on. Our role is to try and identify the problems where the tenants are and then show them where technology can be used to make their life easier. It's important to get access to technology in today's world, to access government services, to support well-being, to connect with friends and family, and the list goes on and on. When we get referred a tenant who is completely digitally excluded, we'll go out to meet with them, address their problem, and try to meet that need where technology can fill that gap. And then we'll provide internet, or we'll provide technology, a phone, a tablet, or so on, that will enable them to do that. We've set up digital technology that allows people to video call, and that initial call, it shows in their face, wow, you know, I can't believe I'm doing this. Not I'm having support to do this, but I can do this to help me when I feel the time's right. I find that quite rewarding for myself to be a part of that tenant's journey. It gives them that independence to go on and do that on their own, to self-learn. So Newydd Digital team have got a pool of devices that we can borrow to tenants, where tenants have expressed an interest in progressing their digital journey, however, are struggling to afford access to the internet and access to a device. We link in with community partners and are able to access the refurbished devices.
We're really keen to get our tenants digitally included, those tenants who currently aren't. You know, it really helps around social isolation, you know, accessing online services, shopping, banking. It really does help develop people's confidence. That can have a knock-on effect in terms of encouraging their children to get involved and their older relatives or friends. It enhances communication, obviously, and it can only benefit the community as a whole, I think.